Here we are at St John's Methodist Church, Bloxwich, and we're to film for our district courageous competition about our response to the word courageous. So let's go into our messy church. Have you done anything brave?
This week I have cut my hair, which was really long, and I had my first driving lesson.
Well done. Have you done anything brave recently?
Yeah, I sang a song in church by myself.
Wow, and how did you feel about that?
I felt nervous.
Well done, very well done.
My daughter's been really brave today because she's gone on a table on her own and done her own activities, which she doesn't normally do, so she's been really brave.
What have you done that's been brave?
I had to have a blood test here.
Where else, Victor?
And here and here.
And where else?
Here.
And you was in hospital for 10 hours, wasn't you?
I was in hospital for 10 hours.
Oh, that is brave. Well done. What are you doing today that's really brave?
Getting married. If you knew him, you'd know how brave that is.
Well done.
First, the men were bound up and then thrown into the fire.
So we need to empty our furnace. You come out. Come Now we've got
So where are they?
Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego are going to go into the hot fire
Thrown into the fire.
furnace. I'm not afraid of anything.
When I think of the word courageous, I think of people who stood up for what they believed in, even in the face of opposition, to change the world and make it a better place for subsequent generations.